Sorry.
Okay.
David, could you? They've sorted
We here
something
have
about
a computer
the pages not
with
showing. I've asked them
512
to change
RAM
it
in
so
there,
that
only one
it
stick.
doesn't pick up the gaming ones.
going
But
to
you
be
need to
doing-
log off and log on again. Is that convenient for you to do at the
Yes,
moment?
another stick of RAM.
I wouldn't want to get blocked.
I don't want to get blocked. Yes, you.
No, it was Adam. Me, Adam was like, we want to get blocked.
It was Adam.
He's gone.
Right.
Who's gone?
He's gone now.
And you.
Now there's
No.
an extra
It
bit of
should be
RAM.
fine, but it's not going to pick it up.